the thinking. Oh, it's given. Warner shaped as if he had hit the ground, but no. Naseem Shah, the 16-year-old, gets his first Test wicket.
Oh dear, I think he's over.
Oh, the irony. He's lost on no one.
Oh, and would you believe it? Would you believe what has just happened here? A no ball called. Babar Azam takes the catch off Musa Khan. It happened to Naseem Shah in the first game. It happens to another debut.
More senior players.
Warner lofts it, and the catch is missed again, and again it goes to the rope.
Straight up. Shaheen might have one. Oh, he might not. Usama Mir. You get given an opportunity in the
Edge. Oh, dropped.
Oh, no.
Can you believe it? A